and welcome back to yet another fun recipe video on Harvey's journey. So the holy month of Shravan is here, and while fasting we generally end up indulging in a lot of deep fried items. So today I'm here bringing to you a healthier version of one of the favorite dishes during Shravan month, and that is Sabudana Vada or Sabudana patties, oil free. So without much further ado, let's get started. So I have taken roasted peanuts here, and using mortar and pestle I am crushing it. This will add a good crunch to our patties because it won't turn to a powder form. This is the consistency we want. Now in a bowl I have taken boiled potatoes and I am mashing it with my fingers. One more thing, for this recipe I am using a non-stick tawa, but if you want you can use this same recipe in an appam pan. Now to mashed potatoes we will add our overnight soaked sabudana or sago. I'm only using half of what I soaked, rest half I'm using for sabudana khichdi. I'm mixing it well again. To that I'm adding the taste makers, salt and green chilli and ginger paste. If you want you can add green chilli as well. And to that our crushed peanuts. Now mix it all well and we are ready to make some yummy sabudana patties. I have taken a non-stick tawa and put it on flame. Now as we are making an oil-free dish here, I am lightly greasing it with ghee. I am also greasing my palms with ghee because this mixture is very sticky. So we do not want it to stick to our hand when we make tikkis. Now making sabudana patties is very simple. Take a small portion in your greased palms and prepare a small tikki or patties and place it on tawa. Now let these cook on one side for around 3 to 4 minutes on low to medium flame, and then we will flip it. In the meantime, we will apply some ghee on this side. Now let's flip it one by one. It's better to use 2 spatulas for this. These are very soft, so now again let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on this side as well. That's it. Our yummy healthy fasting sabudana patties is ready. You can serve these with green chutney and imli chutney or on their own. So this Shravan month, let's promise to stay away from deep fried items as far as possible and rather go for healthier options like this. So if you like my videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Now see you next week. Until then, eat healthy and take care. Bye bye.